If you're seeing the Monday.com error that says board failed to load, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is usually a browser, network, cache, or session issue, and in most cases, you can get Monday.com working again in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. All right, let's jump in. First, try the simplest fix: refresh the page. Sometimes the board just fails to load because of a temporary glitch or a partial connection issue, and one quick reload is enough to bring everything back. If the error is still there after refreshing, the next step is to sign out of your Monday.com account and then sign back in. This can reset your session and clear a temporary login problem that may be stopping the board from loading correctly. If that doesn't solve it, check your internet connection next. Make sure you're connected properly, and if possible, switch to a different network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try mobile data or another connection to see whether the problem is coming from your network rather than Monday.com itself. A weak or unstable connection can easily trigger loading errors. Now let's move on to browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Monday.com and stop boards from loading. To test this, open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers or similar extensions. After disabling them, go back to Monday.com and refresh the page again. If the board loads properly, then one of those extensions was the cause. Another common issue is VPN or proxy usage. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it and then refresh Monday.com. VPNs and proxies can sometimes create connection conflicts or make the platform think your session is coming from an unusual location, which can cause loading failures. Turning it off is a quick way to rule that out. If the problem still isn't fixed, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Then select Cache and Cookies, choose the Clear option, and restart your browser afterward. Old or corrupted cache files are one of the most common reasons Monday.com boards stop loading properly, so this step often makes a big difference. After clearing the cache, sign back into Monday.com and try opening the board again. In many cases, the issue will be resolved at this point. If not, go back through the earlier steps and double-check each one carefully, especially your network, extensions, and VPN settings. To recap, the best order is refresh the page, sign out and back in, check your internet or switch networks, disable extensions like ad blockers, turn off VPN or proxy services, and then clear your cache and cookies. Following these steps in order gives you the best chance of fixing the Monday.com board failed to load error quickly and safely. If this video helped you solve the issue, please remember to like and subscribe. That really helps the channel, and it makes sure you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.